All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 10647 and 2022 CR 10648, State of Texas versus Raymond Cavazos. I'm going to need people in the box to be quiet. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense. And are you Mr. Cavazos? Counsel, in each of these cause numbers, did you receive and review all the discovery with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, you all need to be quiet in the box. We're on the record. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cavazos, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places? And cause number 2022 CR 10647, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And cause number 2022 CR 10648, you're charged with the offense of forgery or counterfeit money as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? In each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, just 1 second, there is to be no talking in the box. We're on the record. Is that understood? All right, in each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court doesn't have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? We're off the record. The reason why there's to be no talking in the box, because I think communication is key, is because when we're on the record, the court reporter who's right there is taking down everything that everyone is saying. And if you can imagine when she's trying to listen to what we're saying and then she hears the conversation behind her, it makes her job more difficult. So I try to make everybody's job as easy as possible. And that's one way to make her job easier if there's no talking in the box while we're on the record, okay? All right, thank you. All right. And each of the cause numbers, did you understand that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call them the right to remain silent. Showing you the plea bargain agreement, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at 3 years in the prison in each cause number. There's a $1,000 fine. Each cause numbers will run concurrent, and the state will take in consideration 2022 CR 10649, 2022 CR 11027, and 2022 CR 1078. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge, it should be four dismissals.
I think what you're reading, Judge, is the restitution.
Thank you.
Right, that's.
All right. So also as a part of the plea bargain agreement, there's restitution and cause number 2022 CR 10649, 2022 CR 11027, and 2022 CR 10785. And so the record is clear. The cases that will be taken in consideration are 2022 CR 10649, 2022 CR 11027, 2022 CR 10785, and 2022 CR 11028. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
There were motions filed and then that needed to be ruled upon.
And cause number 2022 CR 10647, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in cause number 2022 CR 10648, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Judge. In both cases, state offers what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 as attachments into evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, in each of the cause numbers, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And in each of the cause numbers, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Mr. Cavazos is anxious to get this behind him and then hopefully come out. I think he's kind of feels that he's getting to the point at his age, he just needs to come back out and lead a straight and narrow life. It just, we talked and she's kind of feels that it's at his age, he just needs not to get into any more trouble. He'd stayed away from trouble for a good 10, 15 years, and then this things cropped up.
All right, in cause number 2022 CR 10647, court will find you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 10648. There's to be restitution in 2022 CR 11027, 2022 CR 10785, and 2022 CR 10649. Take in consideration 2022 CR 10649, 11027, 10785, and 11028.
I have them here, Judge.
All right, thank you. And in cause number 2022 CR 10648, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 10647. Take in consideration 2022 CR 10649, 11027, 110-875, 11028. There's to be restitution in the following cause numbers: 2022 CR 10649, 2022 CR 11027, and 2022 CR 10785. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Judge, not from the state.
Nothing from the defendant, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed. Oh, these are his copies. That's okay. The only items that. I'm sorry, Brenda, it's long, right? All right, did you-
Originals here?
No, I have the originals.
Sure, it's a
Yes.
blue
Let
ink.
me see.
You can do.
Oh, no, these are copies. I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them and did you sign them? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction in each of these cause numbers, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. How old are you? Next month? Well, I mean, the decision is yours, whether or not you want to spend your time in and out of the prison, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Yeah, no.